Yes, so my people, when I don't see them today, Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara, Oke Ite, and Onye Eze Jesus, all native doctors from Anambra State, were arraigned in court today. They arraigned them for court. Onye Eze Jesus like to pretend like he's a Christian and a Christian pastor. In fact, he does both, according to him. He does both Christianity and traditional religious practices. But anyway, the point is, Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara today, the charges against him were read, and Akwa Ọkụkọ was never charged with Oke Ite. If you remember from my previous videos, I told our people there is nothing like Oke Ite. You cannot legislate or even prosecute Oke Ite. Some people were saying, oh, he must go in, they must go in because of Oke Ite. Charms no dey for law. The law does not recognize charms. So you cannot hold somebody down because they believe saying they do charms for people. No. The only way you can hold a person down, if while doing the charm for the people go use them, commit crime that's demonstrably linked to that charm. Demonstrably. So the law has to actually believe in the existence of magic and charms before the law can charge you, against any crime of magic or charm. Now him I tell people, everybody, there's no Oke Ite in there's no statutory provision for Oke Ite. You understand? So if you look at the whole drama where they want charge Akwa Ọkụkọ, the only thing where they charge Akwa Ọkụkọ with is kidnap. You understand? They say they go carry people waka. And they go grab people, they hold them onto kidnap. So, but why they can't say in the kidnap? What happened? Because of this our man, Onye Eze Jesus. A lot of people believe that Onye Eze Jesus is very jealous of Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara. So all that time, he likes to now come up and say things about Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara. You understand? Ingo just accuse Akwa Ọkụkọ. Say Akwa Ọkụkọ na Ingo. You get one time where those people go carry him, they hold him inside. So he can't they lie to people saying Akwa Ọkụkọ hold him. Meanwhile, no be Akwa Ọkụkọ hold him. You understand? According to Akwa Ọkụkọ, them they say na lie. In law, you have to have a credible witness for you to be able to successfully prosecute any case. Now, where they don't hold Akwa Ọkụkọ say na kidnap, right? Person where they say na he kidnap, no Onye Eze Jesus. Onye Eze Jesus, when he disappear, people don't even believe say anybody kidnap him. You understand? Because of his antecedents, people believe saying to the lie. You understand? People didn't believe say. So when he come out, he begin accuse everybody. Say all native doctors, say all their hand join, go grab, go hold them. So some people are believing that he was trying to get rid of his perceived competitors in the business of, Igbo. So they said no hemorrhage. That's why I go mention Akwa Ọkụkọ name. You understand? So in law, if you don't, and this same man don't point a lot of other people saying that them kidnap him, right? Including his own mother-in-law, person where he married daughter. He accused the woman. Reportedly, the woman had just been released. They said the woman no follow. Meanwhile, in lie, say when in there, the woman in there for the house where they hold him, say the woman they come there. But today the news we say the woman they don't release the woman. So if Onye Eze is lying or about that woman or was lying about that woman, it's also very likely that he's lying about Akwa Ọkụkọ and any other person where in don't point. Yeah. So sometimes when people are jealous of you, they can say anything against you. So technically, I think not holding briefs for anybody, but I believe Akwa Ọkụkọ tiwara is a good day for him. So now he can apply for bail, technically, because they were holding him for more than one month, and that's not right. It's against his constitutional rights. I think I said that in my last video as well. The law provides that you can't hold anybody more than 48 hours. You understand? You must charge him to court. So it's very wrong to arrest people and then start investigating. No. That's why they have too many catch and release cases. You can't just catch somebody and release them, because if you're not ready to prosecute, you don't have to arrest. That's the thing. You don't arrest, then try to investigate. So that's why the law in Nigeria makes it 48 hours for you to investigate and see what you can do. But they held him for more than 1 month. If you ask, they'll say, oh, it's because of the provisions for the new, because what Soludo did was he sent a bill to the Anambra State House to pass a bill that will establish their Agune chamber. So I think the Agune chamber, in their own thinking, they can hold you longer than prescribed. But someone has to let them know, because it's a violation of the Nigerian Constitution. You understand? Any law and all laws made within the province of Nigeria itself, the territorial integrity maintained, that's Nigeria, must conform with the laws of the Federal Republic itself. So you cannot violate the laws of Nigeria by trying to create new laws within your own state or enclave. You understand? You can't violate the laws of the Federation. You can't violate the Constitution by creating new laws like that. I'm expecting a lot of people to challenge legal scholars. I don't know what it is. Everybody, legal scholar for number, everybody just, I'm expecting them to challenge that. You understand? You can hold someone based on vigilante laws more than the federal government says you can. It's a violation. Someone should go in. And we're not saying this because we're holding brief for anybody. We just don't like it when people's rights are trampled upon. Whether you be Juju or whether you be Christian, no, it doesn't matter. Let's all stand up for what's right, equal rights and justice. So Akwa Ọkụkọ now can apply for bail and then challenge whatever. If he's guilty, he will do his time. If he's innocent, he will come out. All right? That's what we did. So we watch it and see what's next. We4We Media, we day here. Let's watch the events of the day. May we look.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima. More fire. Fuka.